Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 5:28 p.m. August 3rd, 2021, Tuesday. Kind of later in the day. Had to take care of something at the close. But here I am to finish up the night. And I hope everyone's doing well. So make sure you subscribe. If you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Hey, there's the like button just below. Check it out. Just press it. Boom. Doesn't cost you anything. Easy to do. Anyway, here we are. We had the NASDAQ up 80, SPX up 35, and the Dow up 278. Markets had momentum today. Going to the SPY, you can see nice climb up on the SPY. You had big names like Amazon moving up. Tesla was a little weak today, but mRNA was a beast. I looked at this thing 100 times. I just couldn't find my way in. I guess there's an opportunity here. I just not see this exploding growth or exploding move happening. I thought it already moved made its move. I mean, everything's about vaccine right now, so you assume that that's the reason why it's going up. But I mean, we're talking crazy highs. I think we fall off a little bit tomorrow. It is making more highs and squeezing any shorties out there, but up 40 points, 11%. That's a big, big move. I think Roku reports tomorrow for their news. Anyway, here's my day. I feel like I had a decent day, and that could have been a whole lot better. Just could have been a whole lot better. I missed a big, big one, and I'll explain all that in a second. So APDN definitely popped on news. Excuse me, mistyping right here. I tried getting in on the secondary move through 7 and just kind of failed on it and took a $30 loss. Zip was a news event that I actually made money on here. The news sounded really good for Zip Recruiter, and I made like $40 on it. And then the news didn't really circulate, but I'm assuming this was pretty much the circulation, because then I tried getting in again and I gave it all back and then some money. So that kind of stuck. But AMD I was just trying to continue that move that's been making for a week now. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this daily climb. It's got to pull back at some point, you would think. NVIDIA was weak. Had some bad news. Tried nailing that one. Did not. Apple, tried getting a piece of that one. Just a little bit there. Vizio was a news play. Got 13 on that. NETE, kind of a garbage name. I've traded in the past, but if it moves, it can move. Through this 13 level, I grabbed it, pulled, got in, got out, moved on. FNKO was a news event. Banged into that one pretty quick. Here on this break of 1950. And then DLPN, the name sucks. I've had a hard time with it. I was looking through a break of 1150, and this is one I got in really quick, got in and got out, basically taking out the highs of the day and didn't continue that move. I'm going to save ARCT for last, but ZI, real quick, early in the morning, had a lot of momentum, breaking up. Any earnings plays, we're seeing this a lot. Big earnings plays, definitely gap up, make a move up, and then flush down for the rest of the day on the daily. I caught this move here. I actually got a 1.5 on 200 shares. I was selling all the way up. Really went against me just a few cents. Got a quick pop. But it's nice when you have a lot of winning trades and not many losers, because then that adds up to bigger winners, even though I didn't have any huge winners. However, ARCT, I was watching in the morning. It was really spready, pretty tough trader for sure. I think it's only got like a 14 million share float. And I kind of looked away from it. And then it kind of popped up, kept climbing and climbing, and then made this nice pullback here. Made a nice move through 47 right here on this 47.70. Tried 47, tried breaking out, failed. And end of the day, it's the type of thing. When the action happens in the morning, you forget lunch on a high flyer like this and look for the break of the 47. And here it was going through 47 on this candle here. And it just never looked back and went like 12 points. Pull back here. I missed this move, but then I took another move through 50, 51. Actually, this candle here. This is actually the perfect setup that I like to trade. Is a new high, breaking out of a whole number, hitting a half whole number, 5150 high, and then moving down on the 8 to the 8, and then trying again through the 5150 level, and it punched through 5150, and I got a quick buy. I only trade with 100 shares because This thing could have whipped in my face 2 points and I could have been killed. So got $77 on that, and $264 on the day. I'll take it for this Tuesday. News was kind of flat again. The rotation's been kind of weak, so hopefully we get through earnings and that starts picking up. Be sure to check out the news video I did over the weekend, and I'll be back tomorrow, Wednesday. You guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment.